Welcome to our video on Hackerrank problems. In this problem, we're going to go over one of the mock tests in Hackerrank, which is to find a median given this prompt here, right? So potentially, let's do a very quick analysis of this problem. So potentially, if we have this array here, let's paste that and increase its size. We have given this is input array. We need to find the median from these values. How do you find the median? Median is the middle value when median is the middle value given a list of numbers which are sorted in ascending order or descending order, right? So it's a middle value when numbers are sorted, right? That's the key aspect to it that you need to remember. So this is a very simple problem in that case. How do we find median given an array of numbers like the one above, right? We find the median by A, sorting this value. We need to sort this array, right? And B, we need to basically then find the middle value and return that find the middle value. And that is simple enough if you know basic Python arithmetic operators. You're familiar with those. And number 3, we return this value. So sort, find, and return. Those are the 3 things we need to do to solve this problem. So without any further ado, let's get to solving this problem. So these are the 3 things we need to do in this problem. So let's go back to the question here. We need to write our code here. The first aspect to this problem is sorting things, right? We need to sort out the array. So we write that here, and then we sort the array. So AIR is the array given. We use the sort built-in method here, and that's how we sort the array. Next thing we need to do is basically find the middle value, right? And since given that we're given a fixed array of 5 elements, it's an odd number, it's very easy to find that array. So we do a simple middle index calculation. So we find the middle index. So our array is odd, we know that. Based on that, if we find the middle index, that's the middle value, simply. So to find that, we find the length of the array, which is 5, but the best practice is always to make it dynamic by using code to identify the size of the array. And then we simply, find the middle value. And then once we know the middle value, then we return the value to return the median, which is the middle value. So we return the middle value of the array, and we just use the middle index number that we calculated to send that value of the array back. And so we run the code first. It compiled successfully, which means our code is running properly. There's no syntax errors or any errors through which the code won't work. Then we run all the test cases for the code. All the test cases work, which means this problem was solved successfully. And with that, we can wrap this video up, and we'll see you in our next HackerRank problem. Thank you.